Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 26th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold, it's very clear to me this is a 1, 2, and 3. You'll notice that we are pushing past the 178.6, which to me tells me that it is probably almost definitely going to go up to at least a 200% and beyond, which is right around the $2,700 range. So definitely very, very bullish. I mean, I do think at some point it is going to end the wave three, but I think at this point the market's pretty much proven to us that it's probably not going to end the wave three anytime soon and make that wave four and that wave five. So going down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we're right in between two Fibonacci levels. Usually when I see something like this, I'm very confident that it will go up and touch the next Fib level before we get any significant pullback. So going down to the daily time frame. Now on the daily, I got my Fibonacci extension on the last impulse, projected out the last correction, and we are technically at a Fib level on the daily time frame. But really, I mean, we got a little bit of a doji candle there, but the last structure level for me is way down here. When structure is so far away from current price, even if it does go down, it's almost definitely going to make a new swing high or a new higher low, and most likely just keep on trending up. I definitely wouldn't try to go short trying to get any pullbacks. I would be focused on going long at the end of pullbacks. So we definitely are a little bit consolidated right here. I think that's probably pretty common, especially with the fact we're in all-time highs. But yeah, I mean, really, even the 4 hour time frame has no break of structure to the downside. The only thing that make you think that it was going to go down is the fact that we're kind of consolidated right here, kind of sideways. And like I said, even if it does go down, I would definitely think that it was nothing more than an ABC correction to the uptrend, especially because current structure is so far away from current price. Normally, when that happens, you're almost definitely going to get another new structure level and another new higher high. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I mean, it's very, very, very corrective looking. I think it does kind of look like it could go down a little bit. It looks like a possible wave A. It looks like a possible wave B. Maybe it will go down a little bit. Get all retail traders to go short just long enough so that way it stops everybody out and then just keeps on trending up. Every single higher time frame from the 4 hour, the daily, the weekly, and the monthly are in uptrends with no signs of the uptrends being over. So when every single higher time frame is in an uptrend, I definitely, definitely highly suggest that you mainly focus on nothing but looking for longs at the end of pullbacks. I can't even really guarantee that it's going to go down for a wave C. I mean, it may just keep on trending up from here. The trend is your friend. The more you fight the trend, the more inconsistent you will be with your trading. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.